Good morning, everyone. Jai Shri Shyam. Success is not about being brilliant. It's being about consistent. Today we continue that journey of dedication with HSC previous year questions, part number 21 of our series. Let's get one step closer to our goals. And now, without wasting time, let's move towards the question number one and subscribe my channel if you like my video. Now, question number one on the screen. Why the core of current transformer is having low reactance and low core losses? And its correct answer is option A, that is to minimize the error in reading. Now let's move towards the next question that is on the screen. Which place the tree system of wiring is most suitable? And its correct answer is option D, that is multi-storied building. And now let's move towards the next question that's on the screen. Which of the following is the advantage of MCB? And we have given the three options. All options are correct. That's why option D is the correct answer. Now let's move towards the next question. Question on the screen. If the supply frequency of synchronous motor is 60 cycles per second, the rotor must revolve at how much? And its correct answer is option C, that is 60 cycles per second. Now let's move towards the next question that is on the screen. Two identical coaxial coils P and Q carrying equal amount of current in the same direction are brought nearer the current in. And correct answer is option C, that both P and Q decreases. Now move to the next question. Which of the following is or are common types of chisels? And correct answer is option C, that is both chisels are correct answer. Half round no chisel, flat chisel. Now next question. The damping force acts on the moving system of an indicating instrument only when it is moving. And its correct answer is option A, that is moving. Now move towards the next question. Question on the screen. For proper operation of transistor, its collector should have what? Proper forward bias, proper reverse bias, very small thickness, and its correct answer is option B, that is proper reverse bias. Now let's move towards the next question that is on the screen. In order to measure power in three-phase 4-wire unbalanced load, the minimum number of wattmeters required should be, and correct answer is option B, that is 2 wattmeter required. Now move towards the last question of the day. A voltage source have a terminal voltage of 28 volt when its terminal are open circuited. When a load of 12 ohm is connected across the terminals, the terminal voltage drops to 24 voltage. What is the internal resistance of the source? And you can see the solution. Its correct answer is option C, 2 ohms. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe my channel.